Fairfax County is here at the 6th Annual Northern Virginia Housing Expo, and we're here in collaboration with the counties of Prince William, Loudoun, Arlington, the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, the town of Herndon, and the Virginia Housing Development Authority. The Expo is here to showcase both rental and home ownership opportunities for families and individuals across a wide breadth of income levels. And the exhibits feature workshops and exhibitors here to provide a wealth of information to attendees about how to prepare to rent or buy a home, how your credit score affects your ability to rent and buy a home, budgeting, financial literacy, mortgage lending, and home ownership opportunities. And it's the only regional event of its kind. Well, unfortunately, people that are working in Northern Virginia or aging out of their family homes or growing up and wanting to start a home of their own cannot afford the cost of either rental or home ownership in Northern Virginia. So to address that, Affordable Housing Opportunities Means Everyone Foundation, or a home foundation, advocated for inclusionary zoning in Fairfax County and the local jurisdictions. And last year, Fairfax celebrated the 25th anniversary of its Affordable Dwelling Unit Ordinance, which to date has provided more than 2,500 units of affordable housing so that people that want to work, go to the schools here, be near public transportation, and have moderate means can afford to live in the community. For those who can't make it to the Expo today, they can check our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/homebuyer, or you can call us at 703-246-5087, or come visit our Home Ownership Resource Center at 3700 Pender Drive, Fairfax, Virginia, on Wednesdays between the hours of 1 and 4 p.m. and any other weekday between the hours of 9 a.m. and 4 p.m.